morning everyone. This is Zaid Abbas and you are watching IT Assignment Professor channel. Today I am going to start new assignment, that is New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 2 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. Okay, this is the title of our assignment. This is related to Bergament Urgent Care Clinic. In this tutorial we will format the workbook as per the instructions. So you can download these files from the same website. Whole course is available on same website, same website. Okay, so you can download easily course from same website. In the first paragraph, 3 points, he is simply saying that download and rename the file as per the instructions. We will go to Excel sheet, click on the file, click on save as, click on browse. Just replace this one with 2, click on save button. Okay, so we have done this. Now I will move to the project steps. In the first project step 1, he is saying that Jennifer Williams is our business manager at the Bergament Urgent Care Clinic. Jennifer is adding formatting to the workbook she used to track statistics on the patient visit to make it easier to read and use. Change the theme of the workbook to office. Okay, go to Excel sheet, go to page layout, go to theme and click on the office. So question number 1 is complete. Question number 2, he is saying that switch to the visit worksheet. The heading on the visit worksheet look pretty bland and could use same format. Merge and center the top row through the column H. Okay, so go to visit worksheet. This is our top row and this is our H column. Okay, we need to merge and center. Done this. Question number 3, apply the heading 1 cell style to the newly merged range. Okay, go to cell style. This is cell style heading 1. Okay, question number 3 complete. Question number 4, merge and center the second row in the same way. This is our second row. First select and then merge and center. Okay, question number 5, next Jennifer need to format the report dates. Change the background color of the dates and date labels to match the week start cell. Okay, this is week start cell and we need to check the color. This is the color start accent 3 lighter 80% dark green. Okay, so select these dates and labels, go to theme color 40%, yeah, 80%, click OK. Question number 5 complete. Question number 6, change the font style of the date labels to bold to distinguish them from the dates. Okay, these are the date labels, we need to bold. Okay, done this question. Question number 7, change the both date formats to show a 2-digit month, 2-digit day and a 2-digit years. Okay, so go to Excel sheet, select the dates, go to date format, select the 2 digits, click OK. This question is complete. Question number 8, she also want to format the table headings. Change the font style to italic and then center the headers horizontally. Okay, these are the headings. First click on the italic. Okay, then go to alignment, horizontal, center, click OK. horizontal center. Done this question. Question number 9. Merge and center the service header cell with the cell beneath it. Okay. We need to merge and center the service header cell. This is service header cell. Merge and center. Done this. And center it vertically. Vertically we need to center. Go to alignment. Vertically we need to center it. Okay. Done this. Further he is saying that do the same format the total visitor headers. Okay. Total visitor header. Select this. Go to alignment. Vertically center. Merge and center. Okay. Also need to merge and center this so that we can see percent of visitor correctly. Okay. Question number 9 is complete. Question number 10. Merge and center the payment header cell with two cell to its right. Okay. The payment header. One right, second. Merge and center. Okay. Do the same to the format of percent of visitor headers. We have done already. Okay. Uh, Now move to the question number 11. Change the background color of the payment total visits and percent of total visit header to the match service cell headers. Okay, service. This is service. So check the color. This is accent to 60% lighter. Okay. Select all these. Then go to 60%. Okay, done this. Question number 12. Change the background color of insurance, cash and credit headers to match the insurance header under the payment side. Okay. This is insurance. We need to check the color. This is ASN to 40%. Okay. Copy this. Also need to copy this. Go to here. ASN to 40%. Okay. Done this. Now question number 13. Jennifer would like to spruce up the table data, change the background color of the lab test and diagnostic image row to match the color of the lab test cell. Okay. So first check the lab test cell color. This is white background 1, dark 5%. Okay. Now copy the cell and copy this as well. Go to color, click here. Okay, done. Now question number 14. Change the number format for the percent of the total visit data to show percentage with 0 decimal place. Okay. Percent of total visit. Copy this all cells. Then go to format cell. Go to percentage. with zero decimal. Click OK. Done this. Question number 14 is complete. Now question number 15. The clinic is looking for evaluate where its revenue come from. Use conditional format to identify cash visit under 6% with dark red text on a light red background. Okay, so we need to put the conditional formatting on cash visit. Go to cash visit, copy this, go to conditional format, highlight cell less than. Okay, 6% is already mentioned, so click on just OK. This question is complete. Question number 15 is complete. Six questions are remaining left. Let me show you the final worksheet. Our final worksheet will be look like this. So if you have this kind of assignment, you can share with me. I will complete for you. My WhatsApp and email is mentioned in the description of this video. Okay, and if you have any confusion, you can contact with me anytime. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can notify with all videos, newly videos. We will meet in the next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye. Thank you.